I'm going to be rating HVAC components on how likely they are to ruin your day. For episode 2, we have the control board. The control board is basically the brain of the system. It takes the inputs from the controller and sends them out to the corresponding components. What really sucks about a control board is that they can act really weird and point you in the wrong direction. There's no easy way to directly diagnose a control board, so you have to rule out every other component and make sure they're working, and then you can condemn the control board. Another thing with control boards is that they usually cannot be repaired and almost always need to be replaced. They are easy to replace, but because they're so hard to actually troubleshoot, and because low voltage sucks big ass gorilla nuts, I'm going to give this one a 9. What component should I do next?